Hello viewers, welcome to Blue Hands Drawing. Today we are going to draw a nice scenery, a house in the middle and two trees on the side. So let's draw the scenery from the left side. First we are going to draw the trees, as you can see. Now we are going to put a big circle. Do like this and practice with me. So the tree is done. We are going to draw the bottom line of the tree like this. Now we are going to draw a house. So these two are the vertical lines, and we're going to put a platform on which the house is staying. Okay, now we're going to put a roof on it. The roof is little bigger on top, and the two inclined lines here, you can see it. Now I'm connecting the two lines. Now let's draw a door in the middle, and both sides we're going to draw the windows, one here and one here. Then again we are going to draw another straight line like this, and there's going to be another tree on this side too. It's like a mirror, the both side of the house, it contains two trees like this. So again I'm going to draw a circular line, looks like the bigger clouds. Then we're going to draw a straight inclined lines like this, which is coming up from the front door of the house and to the end points. Now we can put like some staircases, so it looks like this. Okay, and in the bottom we can draw a few lines like this. Okay, so this side and this side to define the grasses. As you know, there are a few shapes. So first you're going to draw the grasses, and there's going to be flowers on top of the grasses. Okay, so this is another different types of presentations for the drawings. So these are the few steps to make the drawings better. All right, and we're going to draw flowers on top of it. Let's put something like this. So we're going to draw four of them, so two on these sides and two on the other sides. All right, now let's move on to other sides. Another one here. We can put few straight lines like this. Okay, so this looks like a very basic scenery. Now we are going to uh, put the colors on it. So let's begin with the green for the fields. So we're going to draw greens here. This is a very basic drawing. As you can see, so we're using the crayon color in this case to present the whole drawings for the field. All right, so for the grasses here at the bottom, we're going to put deep green color. As you can see that I'm doing it with the pencil. So few details we need to do, because we're going to need to make the green a deeper one or the dark green. That's why let's put little harder strokes while we put the pencil color here. And also for this side of grass, we are going to put the depth in color and put a harder strokes for the greens. That's why you are seeing that I'm emphasizing on the corners and on the top parts of the grasses, because it's making the main differentiation from the field to the grasses. So it's the different, or the point of difference here. All right, so the grass is done. Now we're going to draw the flower. So for the flower, let's put the purple color. So let's do it the pink. Okay, so pink is going to look nice. So you see the pink color is here. The flower, it looks nice. So the drawing is in progress. Just stay with the instructions and follow the steps as we are drawing here. The video, this is the unedited, and nothing we do it faster or any edition. So without editing we just do it. So all the drawings you see here, these are the real times. Now you see I'm doing the colors for the road which is coming from the front of the house. All right, this is already looking nice. For the trees, we're going to put the same color for the main body part of the trees. As you can see that the trunk is done for the left side of the trees. Now I'm going to work for the right side of the trees. At the same time the trunk is done, the bottom part or the platform on which the house is raised, we're going to put a deeper color. It looks like the same as the road. All right, we can make little variations with this color here. So for the front part of the color, let's put this dark yellow to define the front wall or the front surface of the elevation. And for the pitched roof, we're going to put the dark red color. As you can see, I'm going to put the dark red color for the pitched roof here. And as you can see that the trees, these are going to be light green. So let's put light green for all over the bodies. First we're going to put a similar strokes for the whole tree, then we're going to put little designs with the dark green color inside the trees. So first, when making the same monochromatic colors for the whole tree. All right, now we're going to put the design and the few differentiations. few cloud formations inside the trunk, inside the tree, bushes. So the whole tree, it's with little design you can see here. Also, we're doing the same for the right side of the trees. All right. Now only the doors and windows left. So for that, let's put the purple color. Okay. Sorry. It's winter time, so the cold is everywhere. I already took the vaccines of corona, so all the vaccines, 3 vaccines, first dose, second dose, and the booster dose. Okay, all right. So now we're going to draw the colors for the skies here. Let's put the green to draw the picture of the skies. It's a clear blue sky. All right. So this is not a very hard drawing or very tough. This is a very easy drawing, and all you can do is you can do the practice at home, and the more you do the practice, the more perfection you can achieve while you draw. All right, so crayon colors is better for the large scale drawing. Okay, so this is a very nice scenery as you can see here. I hope you guys like the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel. First we going to have a good look on the drawing. All right, please subscribe the channel if you like it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.